Hello traders around the world, listen carefully. This information is useful for future trading decisions. Be a wolf and learn what is going on around you. JPMorgan's $4 billion delivery of gold bullion adds to fears. Trump's tariffs will reshape global trade. In a move that has sent ripples through global financial markets, JPMorgan Chase & Co. recently completed a $4 billion delivery of gold bullion, one of the largest physical gold transfers in recent history. This unprecedented transaction has sparked widespread speculation about its implications for global trade, particularly in the context of escalating trade tensions fueled by former US President Donald Trump's tariff policies. Analysts are now warning that such actions could signal a broader shift in how nations and corporations navigate an increasingly fragmented and protectionist global trade landscape. The delivery of such a massive amount of gold bullion by one of the world's largest financial institutions has raised eyebrows among economists and market watchers. Gold, often seen as a safe haven asset, is typically sought after in times of economic uncertainty or geopolitical instability. JPMorgan's move has led many to question whether this is a precautionary measure in anticipation of further disruptions to global trade, particularly as Trump's tariffs continue to reshape international commerce. During his presidency, Trump implemented a series of tariffs on key trading partners, including China, the European Union, and Canada, as part of his America First agenda. These tariffs were designed to protect domestic industries and reduce trade deficits, but they also triggered retaliatory measures from other nations, leading to a tit-for-tat escalation that disrupted global supply chains and increased costs for businesses and consumers alike. Although Trump is no longer in office, the lingering effects of his trade policies continue to influence global markets, and the possibility of a return to such measures remains a concern for many. JPMorgan's gold delivery could be interpreted as a hedge against the potential fallout from these trade tensions. Gold is often viewed as a reliable store of value during periods of economic instability, and its physical transfer may indicate that major financial institutions are bracing for further volatility. This move also underscores the growing unease among corporations and investors about the long-term impact of protectionist trade policies on global economic stability. Moreover, the transaction highlights the broader trend of nations and businesses re-evaluating their reliance on traditional trade mechanisms. In recent years, there has been a noticeable shift toward regionalization and diversification of supply chains, as companies seek to mitigate the risks associated with over-reliance on any single market. This trend has been accelerated by the COVID-19 pandemic, which exposed vulnerabilities in global supply chains and prompted calls for greater self-sufficiency. The implications of JPMorgan's gold delivery extend beyond the immediate financial markets. It serves as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of global trade and the far-reaching consequences of protectionist policies. As nations grapple with the challenges of an increasingly polarized world, the need for cooperation and dialogue has never been more urgent. The alternative, a fragmented global economy marked by trade wars and economic uncertainty, could have dire consequences for growth and prosperity worldwide. In conclusion, JPMorgan's $4 billion gold bullion delivery is more than just a financial transaction. It is a reflection of the growing anxieties surrounding the future of global trade. As the world continues to navigate the fallout from Trump's tariffs and other protectionist measures, the actions of major financial institutions like JPMorgan serve as a barometer for the broader economic climate. Whether this signals a temporary precaution or a more profound shift in global trade dynamics remains to be seen. But one thing is clear: the stakes have never been higher.